Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know why.
To get to the other side. Ethan! Where are your manners?
Guess what I just saw? What?
A ghost. We have 4 seconds to save the world.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oops. Hi, I'm Buck, and this is my twin brother, Buck.
Howdy!
I'm sorry, but your goldfish, he ran away.